It's not my intention to put shame on anybody, but the people that do these kind of things should be ashamed of themselves because they are ripping people off, people that work hard. And if you don't know what you're doing, you need to stay in your own lane.
So these jams, the customer asked us to replace because this is loose. So we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna lift this up.
Absolutely zero waterproofing, right on top of the plywood, completely rotted out.
It's right on top of the 2x4, number one. You can see moisture penetrated up here, dropped in, and got on here, which lifted this. There's no backer, no waterproofing.
And no silicone.
No silicone. This one here, let's lift it.
The entire surround came out with a simple pull. I barely had to use any hammer or chisel at all.
It's really fucking nice.
No silicone. So water coming straight on a 2x4.
Yeah, let's scrape this guy out. Is this under? No, okay. See how easy it's coming out? I'm barely putting any pressure.
Same story. Nice.
Look at all the moisture. Wow. Okay, so everything looks good on the surface.
The contractor that did this took the money and ran. We were hired to fix it, and we had to replace all the quartz jams, which cost the homeowner extra money plus labor.
And then obviously if it's wet here, chances are the water got down here. Loosen this, you can just knock on it, and here it's loose. So we don't need that. Look.
The waterproofing was obviously done improperly. No backer board, no sealant, no nothing. It should envelope all the way down onto the floor of the washroom itself. But they neglected that step too because it was hidden underneath the tile and they thought they could get away with it.
Right on top of the 2x4. No waterproofing again. Normal membrane. They didn't envelope wrap it all the way around with the Schluter. They didn't board it, they didn't do nothing. And you know, it's all gonna come out.